given, that's how we live it. Don't be mad at the system, it's simply how we've existed. I hear a lot of people talking like they politicians and choose to be an accountant because it's safe in the business.
Guys, today I'm going to be doing a toy review of about 3 or 4 toys. I'm going to do 4 actually. Let me get that out. I can't find it. Oh, wait. Okay, so the first one will be a little mask that can change your voice. It's a voice changer. And then the button. Hey, where's this button at? Here. Okay, see, my voice just changed with this thing. That's really cool. Okay, now the second one is a Captain America shield. You can put it on like this, and you have it on. This is a transformer. It's first a plane, then it turns into this. And the last one's a Minecraft toy torch. So this if you have batteries in it, there's a little button here that you can press, and the light will turn on, and it will be an actual torch. It's not going to fire. Well, that's it for today, guys.